shit. Holy fuck, what the fuck is happening? Turn off the car. I don't want the keys around. It should be off. It's turned off, it's turned off, it's turned off. Maya took the keys out and it was still going. Fuck. And then now it stopped there. Come anyway. Fuck. That was the scariest thing ever, bro.